Welcome to me and Izzy's big girl apartment! This is our living room. We decided to print off the biggest photo of ourselves that we could find and put it on the wall. This was from our trip to San Francisco. We did a photo shoot and it was simply hilarious. Izzy's mom paid for us to have the photos done. And then we also printed off some of our favorite movies. This is Izzy's favorite movie, obviously. And that's mine.
Obviously.
Izzy's a big Andrew Garfield fan.
I don't know what it is about Tick Tick Boom. I love it.
She loves him.
Stop the clock.
And this is our sectional. Thank you, Innovar. Oh, slay. It's so comfortable. It's like firm but also soft, which is really nice. And we just got this light, which I feel like is a game changer, honestly, for the room. We were just talking about that. And then this is part of the couch that's in my room. We have a little patio situation. Our TV from Izzy's coworker.
Shout out Derek.
Isn't that so sweet? And then this is our coffee table slash TV stand. And then this is our cute little dining room. Very open concept, as you can see. And then this is our water and coffee. And we printed off a little collage of some of our favorite things.
Those are some good memories up there. Some good memories.
Yeah, and then this is our kitchen. It's a little snug, but it does the job. We also have our washer dryer in there. And then now we're gonna see Izzy's room.
Uh-oh. Follow me.
Uh-oh, I will.
Let's take a pit stop in the bathroom.
Oh, perfect.
This is my bathroom. This is where the magic happens.
No, truly. Wait, that's cute. I haven't seen that.
Thanks, I got it in Florida.
I love it.
Yeah, whatever. Next. This is my room.
Oh, so cute.
My bed. Oh, my projector.
Yeah, you gotta show them the projector.
I sit in my big chair and I project onto that wall and I call it a day. And I say I do that. I've done that maybe once or twice.
But it's such a vibe, and I feel like it creates the most cozy atmosphere, because she said she really wanted a reading chair.
Yes, this is where I read my book, my Kindle. Sometimes I do work from here.
How could you not? It's so cozy.
Chose this over a desk. Everything in here is pretty much antique. Just over the years, or Nana's. Shout out Nana.
Shout out Nana.
Shout out Nana. What you see is what you get.
It's so cute in here. I feel like it describes Izzy really well. It's very like eclectic, and it has all her plants.
My plant I'm very proud of.
She's been really growing, honestly.
I know, I love her.
So yeah. Now.
Luca.
Oh yes. Which she got in LA. When we went to LA, that's
Go
so
Lakers.
funny. Okay.
Your turn.
Follow me. Just down the Abbey. This is our hall closet. There's no need to show you that.
That's our hot water heater?
Yeah, hot water heater. That feels right. And this is my room.
Yay!
Welcome. This is all the stuff I have to sell. So Pete my Depop.
Yay!
This is my little purple couch where I do chai chats and have another area for sitting, which I really like. I actually need to get 2 more plants for my plant hanger. But yeah, I like this area because it's fun to like look at my outfits and film. And then Sawyer actually got me this diffuser for Christmas, and when the sun hits it, which it should do it in a little bit, it's kind of cloudy, it like creates disco hour, and it's like puts all the lights over, which is really fun. Because this is the only other light I have in my room, which is, I need to get more.
Lava lamp.
Oh true, I do have my lava lamp. And then this is just my area by my bed, my wall of fame, all the film, and where Sawyer's bouquets go. We got this candle from our housewarming last night, and
smells
it
so
literally
great.
smells so good. I think it's from Anthro, but shout out Lucy for that. And then, oh, see what I'm talking about?
Oh.
Yeah.
Guys, it literally, it makes witching hour so much better because I love it. And this is my bed. This is from Pottery Barn Kids. Yes, it's from the kids section, but I really like the flowers. I got it on Facebook Marketplace. And then these are all my friends. This is our son, Eddie. Izzy made this outfit for him.
Sure did. My pride and joy.
She literally sewed it. Isn't that cool? And then I'm working on my wall up here. I feel like the switch from college to post-grad is framing everything. We were talking about that yesterday of like, when you're in college, you just slap it on the wall, but now that we're post-grad, I'm like thrifting frames, which has become a new passion of mine. And then these are my ABBA vinyls. I want to get something here to put my record player so that I can have it easily accessible. And then this is my desk where I work. I just got this keyboard from Sawyer's grandpa and it is so satisfying. ASMR. Isn't that nice? Working hard or hardly working, you decide. And then, yeah, this is just my little area here. I need to work on my collage, but I started it. And then this is my walk-in closet. All my clothes are. Oh, my shoes. And I decided to do shirts and pants and dresses here. This is like luggage stuff. And then over here I have more clothes. And then over here I have my winter wear and belts. This is all my crochet stuff. And I have some craft things in there and my Polaroid and a little disco ball. This is my bathroom. This is also where I have all my bags, which low-key I actually need to like maybe actually give some away or thrift or donate some. But yeah, this is my bathroom. My shower. My oh, Izzy.
Sorry, excuse me. Bathroom got me in the mood.
This is my sink and all my drawers and everything, and you know the drill. My towels. And yeah, good luck getting out of here because it's a little tight with all my bags, but we make it work. So yeah, that's my room.
Yep, that's me.
Thank you so much for spending time with me. Hope you enjoyed it because I know I did.
And who's on your calendar this month?
Oh, of course, how could I forget? This is also my fan. This is also, one second, Joe Curie, of course. Only the best for May. MJ made me a crush calendar for every month of the year, so obviously stay tuned to see what the rest of the months all hold for me. This is my self-tape wall. So this is where I film auditions and things that require a plain background. It's also been funny because I feel like everyone's been like, what are you gonna add to this wall? Like, you're gonna add stuff to this wall. And I'm like, actually, I think I'm gonna leave it blank because I think for videos it's nice to be able to like put text and not have a ton of stuff. And I feel like I'm gonna make that wall super busy, so yep. That's me. Thanks for coming. This is a big shift from our dorm because if you guys recall, our previous dorm tours have been we've shown you one room.
We were bunking it.
And we were bunking it. And now we have our own rooms, our own bathrooms.
Not bunking it.
And we are living the high life. This is
You're here.
This is peak girlhood truly. So yep. Thanks for coming.
We loved having ya.
See you later.